Today on My Retro Recipes, we're going to be making indoor s'mores. Our first step is to take a 9 by 13 baking dish and we're going to just grease it with some butter. All right, this is going to be set aside for the next step. All right, to a saucepan, we're going to add 2/3 cup of corn syrup, the light brand. You want the light corn syrup. 1 and 2. All right. To that, I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of butter and also 1 package of chocolate chips. Now you're going to want the 11.5 ounce bag or 2 cups of chocolate chips. Now I'm going to cook this on low heat, low to medium heat until it comes to a boil. So we're going to heat that up and we're going to come right back and show you when it's at the next step. All right, this is looking good. It's going to come to a boil. So just a tip, if your grocery store does not have 11.5 ounce bags of chocolate chips, I just added to my bag a couple extra chocolate bars chopped up, and that works just great. So this is going to come and melt and come to a boil. All right, see you on the next step. All right, now that our chocolate mixture has come to a boil, let's see how it's coming with some bubbles on top. All right, our chocolate mixture has come to a boil. We want bubbles on the side. Our next step is, in our bowl, we have 8 cups of golden graham cereal. And I'm just going to pour the chocolate mixture over top. Okay. All right, we're just going to incorporate the golden grahams with the chocolate. Just give that a good mix. We're going to fold in the chocolates. Okay. So next, we've got our marshmallows. We've got 3 cups of marshmallows here, and I'm just going to add about 1 cup at a time and mix that in. So slowly mix everything in. Last batch. All right, now that it's mixed up well, we're going to take our 9 by 13 baking dish and just slowly add the mixture in. All right, we're just going to press this firmly into our pan. And then it's going to sit on the counter for approximately an hour to 2 until it sets up, and then you're going to cut it into squares. There we go.